In today's class, we will try to respond and do a quick demo on how to restore deleted field from an object. Let's say you have an object and then you create a bunch of fields. In case you delete some of them accidentally and you would like to restore. So how we can approach that part? Let's directly jump into the demo org. In this case, it's my trailhead org, and I will go to, let's say, which object I should work with. Let's do opportunity. So on opportunity, which is a standard object of Salesforce, we have so many fields available already. Let's say we want to create one. Let's say actually it's gonna be new field. We'll make that field as % create and say assessment. So assessment can be measured basically in from 0 to 100%. Let's save this field, keep everything on default, save that. Cool. Currently I can see it right here. So I have the field available for me, and let's say we would like to delete it, right? We all know this part. We just click this button, say delete the field. We know most of the records don't have any empty space there, so we deleted that part, right? So how now we can restore it? And in order to do that, it's pretty simple, guys. We have we're still on the same opportunity backend, and then on this section we can see there's this buttons, and the one which we're looking for is deleted fields. Let's click that. Here we go. We can see only one field was deleted, and it tells you exactly who deleted it and when. So you also can see how the API name immediately changed, and then we have two options. One of them erase, and the second is the undelete. So let's demonstrate the undelete section. It basically tells you a description what's happening. Let's click that, and bah, it's restored. So let me return back to opportunity, fields and relationship. Here's assessment. Cool. Okay, since this is so quick, let me actually show you what happens once we delete a field and go to deleted section and click erase, which fully will be erased from your org. So you will not have an opportunity to restore it anymore, right? So it's a hard delete. Let's do that. Here we go, and it's done. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys, and hope you find it helpful, and let me know if there's any questions or concerns. Leave a comment, like the video. Thank you.